Here we go, building Mom's rig. I got all the parts over here. Here is the motherboard. That's the power supply. This is the RAM. Here's the processor. There's the hard drive. There's the disk drive. And here's the operating system. Windows 7. Makes slow computers slower and fast computers faster. Here are all the parts. I opened up the computer case, and here it is. Look at this thing. It's battle plate and super strong. Look at those welds done by like some type of super welding kit. Oh man, I wonder who would build something so cool and strong like this in his free time at school. Well, yeah, look at this case. Oh, great for a computer. Okay, I know that wasn't the real case. This is the real case. Look at this. There's one of them side windows. There's a trim of red on the front. Other side is pretty bland. It's pretty cool though. I like it. Good for Mom. Okay, the rig is built. Here's the far side, here's the front. Got the disk drive there. Got the Intel sticker right there. Oh, so nice. Got some front panel support. You can take a look inside, you can see a nice glare. From what you can see, looks like a whole mess of computer things. And you can see the back here. There's the motherboard, there's the power supply. No graphics card, because I don't think my mom is much of a gamer, but we do got a powerful enough power supply, so if she ever does inherit a graphics card, she will be ready for some intense gaming. Okay, Mom. Go turn on the rig. Whoa. Hey. Turns on. Oh, look at that. Look at this pretty thing. Okay. Tossing windows. One-handed. Oh, okay, there it goes. Hey. Installing Windows. Okay, here comes the boring part.